Chicken Sotanghon soup is more than just a comfort food. The chicken provides protein and essential amino acids, while the noodles are a good source of carbohydrates. At the same time, the vegetables add vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Into the casserole, pour water, chicken, onion. Add salt to taste. Potatoes. Some scientific evidence supports ginger's potential benefits. The ginger, a rhizome with a spicy taste, has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to alleviate cold and cough symptoms. Add ginger and let it boil. When it boils, add the Knorr cubes or season with fish sauce and pepper. Simmer the chicken until it becomes tender. Add sotanghon, which are thin, translucent noodles made from mung bean, cassava, or potato starch. Make sure there's enough water when cooking sotanghon because it absorbs water until it dries out. When the sotanghon are cooked, include the cabbage and 1 piece of scrambled egg. Chicken sotanghon soup is best served hot and can be enjoyed